getting ready to do a 5 foot by 12 foot beauty. Really excited. Okay. Okay. I'm going to show you around. I've been working on a new series of paintings that I'm super excited about. I will just start showing you paintings. I've been working really hard, so they really need to be appreciated in the flesh. They are extremely textured. The subtleties of the paint, the delicateness of the vibration of the paint and the colors is, I really try. I wanted there to be a structure to them and a kind of reaching. This one's quite large. A lot of them are very delicate, and it's like a dream. There's like a dream kind of quality to them, and then they relate to being in ICU and being in a coma for 52 days and kind of reaching and communicating from one side to the other. This is a cocoon that I did that's drying. It is very, very thick of red paint. But these are Life is Beautiful series. And I really pushed myself to get this vibration and this movement of light and subtlety and depth. And just so I just want to give you a tour of the studio. Again, these ones are kind of two people talking and reaching across. When you're in a coma, you lose your five senses, but you start operating in a spiritual dimension, and you can hear and feel and everything else that's going on, but you're just processing it in a different way. So, and you also start feeling prayer, and you start feeling that reaching out towards you. You feel the energy of other people. And I wanted these paintings are about that strength that comes from within your soul, and how you love life, and how you're just, when you close your eyes and you're trying to see, this is some of the things that I was processing in my own kind of mind. I'm putting them down flat because I put so much paint on some of them, and the texture is so insane that, but I wanted to create a depth. So when you look at them in real life, that you have that kind of vibration, and you're kind of looking through. Here's another one. I also wanted there to be a kind of energy that kind of is summoned within inside your soul, like a fire, where it's like a parting of the waves, and you're communicating, and there's all this light and energy and prayer that's coming through, and that you're just grabbing onto it and you're taking it as strength, so that when you pass through, but there's an optimism, which is, well, kind of rarely found in my work lately. I love this work. This was the textures, the amount of oil paint, the, again, the subtleties of the vibration of the paint, the light coming through, and trying really to create depth. I was trying to create a certain level of depth that was in that, and a fire and a distillment and a meditative kind of quality that where you're focusing on the light and the energy that passes through, that's kind of sparkling through a window, a prism of light. Oh, there I am. I'm trying to film myself doing this. Here we go. I'm not, honestly, I don't really like doing these videos. I find myself so self-conscious, but I just want to share. And you know, it's when you create something and you really believe in it, it seems a crime just to put it underneath your bed. So this is an effort to open my studio up and to share with you what I'm trying to do. I worked really hard to get these. For about a year and a half, I pushed myself to go over and kind of process this new body of work. This is Cocoon. This is the last one that I've done. That one took about 8 years. It has 3 underpaintings. It's drying in my studio. It will be here for quite some time. And I'm just getting ready. Here I am. Sorry about all the movement. You can see my studio and just see everything going on in here. And I'm just getting ready. I've cleared this section out. Here is a huge malignant that's finally dry. Well, dry enough to be able to share. I use so much oil paint, but I'm just getting lined up to start a massive 5 foot by 12 foot. Have a beautiful day, and life is beautiful, and every moment is a gift. And I'm gonna go over, have a great time right now and get painting. I'm gonna be like a big kid celebrating just being alive and loving life and feeling so blessed that I love you. So have a beautiful day, and thank you. I'm gonna go paint now.